It's insane. Why do countries even allow short selling? Short sellers hope that a stock or bond price falls. So why would a stock exchange or a regulator even allow it? How many times have I been asked that question? Why indeed? I mean, everybody loves a rising stock market and nobody likes a falling one. There are 3 reasons why stock markets are better if they have short selling as part of them. 1. Improved liquidity. More traders trading more stocks means it's easier for everyone to buy or sell. 2. Price discovery. There's plenty of academic evidence that shows that markets that have short selling as part of them have narrower bid-offer spreads than markets during short selling bans. That means short selling bans, or even the absence of short selling being allowed, means it's more expensive for buyers and sellers, costing them real money. Number 3, moderating peaks and troughs. Remember irrational exuberance? Short sellers act as a buffer against stocks just going up relentlessly, irrespective of whether there's an economic reason behind their rise. So to me, better trading liquidity with a wider consensus on pricing and slowing market overheating are all 3 reasons why short selling is accepted, even if it's not embraced, by markets and regulators in over 40 countries around the world. And I haven't even mentioned short sellers outing companies that are frauds and not picked up by other investors, auditors, or regulators. Are you convinced? If so, write heck yes in the comments below. If not, why do you think over 40 countries around the world allow short selling? I'm interested in your thoughts.